Back again for another video, man. And I'm still recovering from being sick, but I had to make this video, let you guys what's going on, what Amazon's doing, what the future for merch by Amazon could look like. And I'm big in the stock market, so anything with any business pops up real quick. And I basically noticed that Amazon is now making their own stores, clothing stores for shoes and clothes, and what this could mean for merch. And right now it's looking like they're gonna be using Amazon style for this, but I'm sure that they're gonna be using some of Amazon merch's designs for graphic t-shirts. Not everybody has this style. So I feel like they're gonna be putting some of the merch by Amazon stuff in clothes in the stores. So when I tell you that Amazon merch is just getting started, it's just getting started. If you check out, I got a bunch of articles showing the same thing, so you know I'm not capping. They're about to open a 30,000 square feet shop in Los Angeles. It's going to be their first shop they're opening, and it's going to be next to a Macy's. And this is going to blow up Amazon so much, because you got to think, this is what they're going to do. They're going to start leveraging this store and sellers on Amazon to get their stuff in the store. Then they're going to start leveraging more bigger companies to use Amazon merch. Then they're going to be leveraging the store with e-commerce, because of the simple fact is people are going to like stuff in the store and they're not going to be able to fit certain sizes, so they're going to order it online, and it's just going to blow up the platform bigger than it already is. So when I tell you, you guys got to be on your shit when it comes to this merch shit, because they're expanding, and who knows, maybe some of your designs might be in the store. But right now we have to work hard on our accounts and make sure we're in high tiers and make sure that we're on this shit. So this is just a big update. And the way that they're gonna, just the technology they're gonna be using and stuff, I want you guys to really look up some of these articles, because I don't want to bore you reading them verbatim. But Amazon is about to fucking take over, and they're just so smart. So I just really wanted to show you guys this. I'm sure you Google it anywhere. The update came yesterday on my stock app, and I'm just letting you guys know this, man. There's more coming. It's not gonna be all this shit. They're gonna have some graphic t-shirts over here, and it's gonna be our designs, man. So that's just a bigger avenue. The fact that we can get more sales, maybe not just online, maybe in the store. So look up for that. Look up those articles, man. I just wanted to show you guys that. Yeah, you guys make sure you guys get that sub button, because I'm the first one to put this video out, letting you guys know this. Man, until next time.